and it finally launched its native MCP server that you can use to automate literally anything. So as you can see on my screen, I created this automation, the ultimate AI assistant that can using the n8n MCP server that it recently launched, and you can literally automate the complete flow, complete tools. Okay, connect different tools, and the best part about this, you can use this to chat even from the Claude, even from different tools out there. You can chat over there, and it will work using the n8n in the backend. So I will show you how you can build this whole automation, and I will also show you how you can connect it with Claude and automate this whole thing. So let's see an example. First of all, I will go in the Claude and ask it, can you check my last email and tell me what it is about. Okay, so I asked it, and first of all, normally Claude don't know about your emails, but because we already connected it with the n8n, so it can read your emails as well. So let's see. I click on enter, and now Claude will read my emails and tell me what my last email was about. Okay, so it already started. However, I would like to check your emails. Alright, and now it is. You can see it already started watching your chats. It's already. So the email appears to be notification informing you that organization called AI Galaxy has started free trial of Slack Pro. So yesterday I created a Slack account just for the testing with this, and I name it AI Galaxy. So you can see the last email was about that, and it can literally give me about that. All right, let's see. I will ask it, can you send an reply? Can you send an email to Bharat uh, about this new AI Galaxy thing? Okay, so I asked it to send an email to Bharat about this thing. So let's see. Okay, could you provide email address? Yes. So if don't provide any important thing, it will also ask you to provide the data to perform that certain action. So I will give it some random uh, email. Okay. So I gave it a random email, which is not real. I don't want it to reveal my email right now. And just for here allowance. Okay. So you can see this coding that you're seeing over here is basically the connection with the n8n that is performing right now. So I kept the message brief and informative, letting Bharat know about the AI Galaxy Workspace, starting a free trial of Slack Pro. Is there anything else? Nope. Just do this and done. Okay. So it will ask you sometimes few questions if you need any help. So if you are confirming the sending email to Bharat was all you need, then the task is already complete. The email about the AI Galaxy Slack Pro trial has been sent to Bharat. Okay, so let's see. Just confirm it. So you see already the email is out, and if I go in the sent, and you see this email is already out. That is cool, isn't it? If I show you over here, well, it will give you this error because this email does not exist. I use it just to show you guys. So hi Bharat, I wanted to, okay, let me zoom in so you can see on the to know you that the AI Galaxy Workspace has started a free trial of Slack Pro. This would unlock additional features for our team. If you haven't already, you might want to check if out and see what new capabilities are available to us now. So you see how cool it is. Now it is just about the email, right? Okay, let's try and book a meeting. So what I will do first, I will go and open my calendar, and you see I am doing all this just from the Claude itself. I'm not going any other software, not doing anything else. So I had this meeting already. Okay, let's see if it can recognize that meeting. So can you check if I have any meeting in next 3 to 4 days? Okay, so let AI check my calendar and tell me if I have any meeting. Okay, so that the pop-up that you are seeing, it is basically it comes for different tools. You have to allow them once, and then it will work for complete chat. So you see AI agent discussion with Bharat. That was my meeting last time. Okay. So you have one upcoming meeting in the 3 to 4 days. You can see over here. at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, all right. Can you shift that meeting 1 hour later? Okay, so let's see. So you already see my meeting is over here at 9, but let's see if it can actually shift it to 10 a.m. All right, it is already over here, and let's see it in action. So we have to allow this for the updation thing, and now it is already moved to 10 a.m. Isn't it cool? It can literally do anything with your calendar, with your email. Okay, all right, that's cool. Let's ask it to book another meeting. Okay, can you schedule another meeting with uh, Jasmine? Her email is jasmine at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and wait a second, .com, not c.om. Okay, gmail.com. This meeting is about important n8n discussion, and we do that at 8 a.m. 17th of April, C, IST time zone. Okay, so I gave it some details and ask it to book a meeting with me. All right. So, yep, just allow once, because look, let me tell you, we have added different tools over like read, write, update, delete for the Slack, for the Google Calendar, for the Gmail. So once it performs different kind of action, it need to ask the permission once. So for each of these tools, it will ask you permission once, but once you allow it, it won't ask the same permission again. Okay. So now it perform the same action for me, book the meeting. Let's see in the Google Calendar. You see over here. So our meeting with the Jasmine is already booked now. All right, and the guest and the meeting name, meeting date and time, everything. Well, you say like we can do this manually. Well, man, if you can automate this whole thing and using the Claude to ask and do these things, isn't it cool? Right? And the best part, AI can remember. So this whole chat can remember what it talked earlier. So you don't need to like ask it or tell it again what you have discussed earlier. It remembers almost everything that you discussed so far. So that is the best part about it. Now let's see and let's ask it. Can you search on Slack and see if I sent any message earlier about? So let's see what old message was about MCP, about MCP. So now it will go and search for that message. So let's see if it can search or not. It can't retrieve, but definitely it can search for you. So I will try to search for the message. I still encountering some issue. Okay. All right. So right now it is getting some issue with the Slack. But anyways, let's try to send the email. Can you send an message on the social Slack channel and tell them let's do some social party. Okay, that is cool. Let's try it. Okay, and now I have successfully sent a message. Let's see. So I will go on social and hey team, let's plan a social party soon. It would be great to get together for some fun and team bonding outside of work. If you are interested, drop a reaction below. And so this is cool, isn't it? It can send a message from your side, okay, to the channel. All right, that is cool. Let's see. Can you update that message and okay, and tell them that party is at my home. All right, let's see that. So can you update that message? I will updating your message and let's see if it can update over here. Okay, for this chat. So it sent a new message on this and says update. So let's plan a social party soon. I'm excited to announce that the party will be at my home. It would be great to get together. All right, that is cool. So if it can't send, it will sometimes, like if it can't update, then it will do the right action. For example, if it's not able to book a meeting, it can send an email to the person and ask it to book a meeting, or it can send the email to a person to tell them about a meeting. Okay, so this AI agent is literally smart, that can not only perform the action but also see the different ways to approach the particular thing if one of the ways not working. As you see, sometimes it goes get errors, but that will soon fix as soon as this new MCP server will keep getting better and better. And this is literally, I would say, the best thing that I ever saw in the n8n so far. I mean, you can connect it with the Claude, you can perform all different sort of actions. Just think about it. If you connected this with your CRM platform, how cool it will be, right? So as you know, Claude can't search on Google right now. It can do perform thing and do a lot of things, but it can't search on Google. So let's see if it can search on Google for me. So can you tell me the weather in Alaska right now? Okay, so I'm asking it the checking the weather. Well, AI, this Claude can't check. Okay, but it can search on the Google now using the SERP AI that we integrated in the backend over here and do perform the action. So you see temperature is 45 degree Fahrenheit, weather condition cloudy, okay, humidity 55%, wind speed 10. Can you plan the 3 day itinerary? I sometimes I don't remember the right spelling. Itinerary for my trip to Alaska, and I also want to stay at some. I also want to visit some cool cafe in the third day morning to enjoy my coffee. Okay, so let's see if it can book create a 3 day itinerary for it. So now it is building that, creating the draft. Okay, so what I wanted to show you, it can actually perform both actions. So normal, as a normal Claude, this is the normal Claude is performing. Okay, doing the creating the content for you, generating the planning something for you. And apart from that, it can also use your Gmail, Claude. You can, like, all the different tools out there that you connected it in the backend. So over here that you see your Gmail, calendar, Slack, Google search. So it can connect with those tools and perform the actions for you as well. So this is the power of this Claude and native MCP integration that you connected over here. So how you do that? Basically, this is in the latest release of the n8n, which is in the beta mode. So if you wanted to use this, first of all, you have to click on this. Yeah, go on the settings. Okay, so let's see n8n personal admin panel. Yep. So go to the admin panel and click on manage. And over here, you can choose for the latest version. Okay. This is a beta version. Not everyone have the access, but you can choose the beta version from here and start at using it. Right now in the beta mode. So soon when it will release finally, it will come up with more features. I literally love it with all the things it can do. So I can connect all the things, all my tools over here with the Claude and just talk Claude and perform all different sort of actions. So just think about it. If you are a business owner and you connected your CRM with in the backend with the Claude, and you are not talking with the Claude and asking it to check your CRM, perform certain action, and how cool is it, right? So we already connected a lot of tools over here, even the Slack, even the. Okay, so let me go back in the dashboard. Open. So this is the workflow. So once you really open that new release, okay, switch to that. Now click on the plus icon and search for the MCP. So once you search that, you will see the MCP server trigger. So they launched two different things, MCP client tool and MCP server trigger. Okay, so we use that MCP server trigger over here. With that, you can literally simply connect all different tools over here by click on this plus icon, and you can search for the Gmail, you can search for the calendar, wait, Google calendar, yep. So you can search for the Slack. If you have the CRM of Go High Level, so you can search for the high level tool, you can connect with that. You can connect with the Sheets, Google Sheets, okay, you can connect with the Slack. So you can connect literally with almost any different tool out there and transfer the data between them. And the best part, you can connect it with Claude and perform all the actions directly from the Claude itself. Okay, so double click on this. You will see this ID of yours over here that you have to copy. Okay, and you have to connect that ID over here in the Claude. All right, so this only works in the Claude desktop version. So to use that, click on this top icon and file and click on the settings. Here it will ask you developer mode. Click on edit config. Okay, and once you do that, you have to change this file, this configuration file. So right click on this, open in the notepad or some other code editor, and you have to paste the code over there that I will send you in the share you in the chat, and sorry, in the description. So you can copy that code. Only thing that you have to replace over here on the code is the ID that the link that you will get inside this. Okay, so copy that link, paste over there, and then done. You will simply able to use this with the Claude. So you have to build this. How I build this? Click on this tool. So if I show you, this is a send message. And the best part with AI agent, this model can itself decide what they have to put in the to field, the subject field, the message field. I haven't told it what they have to do literally over here. So I'm already telling Claude what I want, and then Claude and this AI agent in the backend is thinking how to perform that action, what steps they have to take to get that action done. So I haven't told over here like whom to send that message, what subject line should be, what should be the message. It's all thinking by the agent itself. That is the best part about this. Same thing over here in the reply. If I tell you I haven't put any ID, I haven't put any message, it is searching the email by itself. Okay, based on my request, it will perform the action. Think about it, how he have to perform the action, what steps it can take, what approach it can take, and then do the action. Same for if I go in the calendar. Okay, so if I go over create calendar, I haven't give what's a start time, end time, who will be the attendees, description, location, summary, nothing. And everything will be collected by the AI itself. If AI don't get any particular data, it will ask us like whom we wanted to invite, what email, what message you want to send, what start date, what will be the end date, what will be the duration. So AI will ask all this data by itself. We don't have to manually put everything over here. That is the beauty of this smart AI agent. Okay, so I also connected with Google search. You can connect it with different tool out there, and I would say this is one of the best tool and one of the best features so far from the n8n. Well, if you haven't started using AI tools, AI automations for your business, I would say definitely go and try it out as soon as possible, because everyone is already started using AI in their business and they are able to grow their business faster, save a lot of time. We literally in our company saving us so much time by using the AI for different tasks like the lead generation, for the ad creations, for the meetings, right, for the different kind of things, for the content creation, copywriting, all sort of stuff is done by the AI in our team, in our company. Well, if you wanted to learn more deeper stuff, more in-depth stuff that we are using, that what we are trying and what how we are helping other business to implement AI for them, so you can join my school membership. There I share everything about the AI tools, AI automations, how you can literally almost automate your business, save so much time, and even scale your business at a higher speed. Alright, so I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you wanted to get your business growing, you can join my school membership right now. Alright.